Geochang offers green mountains, clear valleys, and breathtaking scenery shaped by the four seasons. I spent a special time here, where nature, history, and culture come together. Every moment touched me deeply and became a treasured memory. Let's explore the destinations that truly make Geochang grand, discovering them one by one as we journey together. The first place I visited is Suseongdae. The first thing that catches the eye is the suspension bridge. Stretching across the valley, it offers both a thrilling and breathtaking view. Crossing over leads to the Suseongdae Valley, where clear streams flow over broad granite rocks. In the valley, people immerse themselves in the clear stream, cooling off and enjoying the summer heat. Deeper inside, you'll find Gyeongseowon and Yosujeong, echoing the spirit of scholars from the past. Suseongdae's true beauty comes from the way nature and history stay together in this place. The next destination is Geochang Forest Leisure Park. The highlight here is the Treetop Observatory. It rises 18 meters above the forest canopy, and it's often called the Bana Hills of Geochang. From the top, a vast reservoir unfolds to the south, while to the north, the grand scenery of the Baekdu-daegan in Deogyu-san comes into view. The next destination is Geochang Changpo-won. The wide flower fields instantly capture the eye, while walking along the healing trails brings a sense of calm. Wetlands throughout the garden cradle diverse life and carry the breath of nature. Here, where nature and people come together, Changpo-won reveals one of Geochang's most special landscapes. Another charm of Geochang is the anti-aging healing land. What stands out here is Korea's first Y-shaped suspension bridge. The bridge stretches over 200 meters across 3 directions, offering a unique experience like walking above the forest. From the viewpoint, you can take in sweeping views of Gwisangbong, Bigaesan, and Gyeonam Waterfall. This time, we arrive at the Geochang Massacre Memorial Park. Unlike the tourist spots we have seen before, this place carries a deeper meaning. In the winter of 1951, amid the turmoil of the Korean War, 719 civilians were massacred in Geochang in a tragic event. This memorial park was built to honor the victims and to ensure that the pain of history is never forgotten. Inside the History Education Center, visitors can encounter records and testimonies that reveal the truth of the tragedy, and it delivers the lesson of that day, so that such a tragedy will never be repeated. The next destination is Wolseong Valley. Stretching about 5.5 kilometers along the foothills of Namdaeogyu Mountain, its cool streams, majestic cliffs, gentle riffles, and small waterfalls come together to create what feels like Geochang's hidden garden. Standing on a rock and listening to the flowing water, you find yourself immersed in a moment of profound serenity. Another must-see spot in Geochang is the Gamaksan Wind Farm. Wind turbines lined along the ridges create a magnificent scene with the refreshing breeze. Especially from September to October, when the asters are in full bloom, the scenery becomes even more breathtaking. The endless waves of purple asters color the mountain slopes, filling the hearts of viewers with deep emotion. Alongside the asters, blooming hydrangeas and wild chrysanthemums add to the beauty of the season, blending perfectly with the wind turbines. Green mountains, clear valleys, and living stories flow through Geochang. This journey was more than just travel. It became a truly special experience. A place where nature, history, and the lives of people come together, Geochang is a destination I will always long to return to.